umaga mga kapuso atong makauban ang newly crowned Ginoong Panabo 2022. Malaylain pa ako di si Christian Carl Comar. Maimbuta Christian and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Yes, thank you, Attorney Res. Yes, ma'am, I'm very happy, ma'am, na nakadaog ko as Ginoong Panabo 2022. And at the same time, I'm greatly privileged that I was able to prove myself, especially sa tanang mga nag-support and nito sa kuha throughout my journey for this pageant.
Take us back to that moment nga naka-decide ka nga mo appeal sa pageant. Kinsa ba ang nag-push or nag-motivate sa imo ha?
One of the reason kaya ako ang friend from college, he pushed me to join the pageant, ma'am. Like, pila na 4 years ago, almost 4 years ago, nagubad mi sa OJT na mo sa Tagu. And siya siya gingon dyan na pag-appeal siya kay sayang niya, one of the inner drive ko na nako po nga mag-join na is akong ka-team sa Team Elegant nga na Ginoong Panabo siya sa iyang first try. So nag-join siya na daw siya. Why not I give myself a chance to try.
Siyempre, unsa sa ba ang imuhang mga preparasyon nga imong gibuhat from the pre-pageant activities leading to the pageant night?
Yes, attorney, preparation-wise, I have to prepare my mind and my body and my soul para sa kaning event. Kay siyempre dumugong himaya of sudang imong ginaasama ni ma and makakuha. So I have to prepare for the Q&A session na may training sa Team Elegant na ako'y coaches intended for the Q&A session, na ako'y coach for walking, for paso-paso, and tapos ko'y time for gym. I'm an employee and naga-gym ko every afternoon after work, every other day, like 1 to 2 hours na para for body preparation.
Curious lang sa kinsa ba si Christian Carl Comar without the title or without this crown?
So, unsa ba si Christian Carl Comar without the title? So, many have been telling, like, sa kanong mga friends na ko, karon lang, bago lang, ma'am. Like, first time they met me, nakaingon sila nga stricto daw ko nga kind of person. So, maglisod sila ka-approach, anak daw. So, itong time nga na may bonding, na halubilo na ako sila, nakailan na ako sila, kung nakailan ako nila, amazing po sa akong part, ma'am. Like, nasa sila impression na mabiyabihon daw ko daw. And, dili daw tato sa akong na medyo sad boy. It's a term na used now, sad boy. And, sa akong personality, lahi dyo daw, ma'am, sa kanang ilahang makita, ma'am. Katong time nga, lahi pa, or dili pa may close to.
Siyempre, as a title holder, gusto sab na mo mahibawat kung unsa ba ang imuhang mga advokasya.
Well, attorney, speaking of advocacy, it's one of the main topics or hot topics na open this year 2021 and 2022. It's about cryptocurrency. Like, pero why not engage into play to earn games? Like, na yung mga emerging na play to earn games like Axie Infinity. I play Axie Infinity, and while playing, nag-earn ko at the same time. So, mukod siya akong advocacy. Like, I wanted the youth to engage into something that would help them learn and earn at the same time. And approve ko yung other advocacies. Like, I've been able to work with DAR, Department of Agrarian Reform. So, they offer activities para sa tuwang mga ARBs, the Agrarian Reform Beneficiaries, like to grow food at home, mag-engage into gardening, and make profit out of it. So, that's one of my main advocacies. And gusto pa ako, ay napag may plans ang tourism po sa ako na i-apply for the future projects.
And now, what's next for Ginoong Panabo 2022? Asa ba ka na mo next na pwedeng atangan?
Yes, Attorney Res, for this year, actually, ma'am, wala pa po kabalo sa programs and activities that the City Tourism will give me. But I think, ma'am, this year, for my reign, I will be allotting most of my time in implementing my advocacy, especially sa atong mga recipients, ang mga kabatanunan sa Panabo. And maybe ma'am, kung may mga opportunities that I may be able to represent Panabo, siguro I will take the chance mo. Okay, sayang sa.
Once again, congratulations to you, Christian. But before we end this interview, mensahe mo muna, message of hope and inspiration para sa lahat ng ating mga Kapuso viewers.
Thank you for believing in me, and sana unta tabangan ko ninyo nga ma-implement ang ako platforms, and I hope to be working with you. I hope to serve you soon sa akong as your Ginoong Panabo 2020.
Thank you very much, Christian, mula sa amin again dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Congratulations and good luck to your journey.
Thank you for gracing me this interview, especially sa atong mga kapuso na nagtanaw, especially sa atong mga kapuso mga Panaboans. Thank you guys for your support.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.